Please use this rampage to uplift you daily or whenever you need it. I am not waiting for money. Money is already mine. I feel the wealth within my body now. It's real. It's done. It's here. I am the one who always has more than enough. I walk through life with the ease of abundance. I breathe in prosperity and exhale any sense of lack. I am not chasing. I am magnetizing. It's simple. Money shows up in my life in ways that I never expected. I find it. It finds me. It loves me. I receive it. I spend it. I save it. I even circulate it. Money and I, we are in a divine partnership. I no longer entertain the old story. That story of lack is a past I have forgiven and, even better, released. My current story: overflow, ease, and joy. I wake up to deposits. I fall asleep in gratitude. Every dollar is an echo of my worth. I imagine having it, and so I do. And so I do. I see wealth. I see health. I see wealth some more. I feel wealth. I am wealth. I am the operant power. I am the cause. Money is the effect. And I live in the cause, not the condition. Right now, someone is writing me funds. Right now, someone is wiring me funds. Right now, a new opportunity is opening for me. Right now, the universe is rearranging itself to match my vibration. I am so lucky. I am so chosen. I am so aligned. Every part of me feels rich. I am rich. Every part of me feels rich. I am rich in energy. I am rich in creativity. I am rich in love. And yes, I am rich in money. And the best part, it's safe to be this abundant. It's safe to have more than I need. It's safe to receive without guilt, because the more I have, the more I give. And the more I give, the more I receive. My wealth is spiritual. My wealth is emotional. My wealth is inevitable. And now that I have claimed it, there is no going back, because I am already in the life I used to dream about. And I say thank you. Thank you. Thank you.